To fix a Frigidaire refrigerator that is not cooling but the freezer works. Follow this easy troubleshooting guide. First, ensure that the refrigerator is properly plugged in and the circuit breaker has not tripped. Check the temperature settings to confirm that they are set correctly, as improper settings can cause the refrigerator to not cool. Next, inspect the condenser coils, usually located at the back or bottom of the refrigerator. If the coils are dirty or clogged with dust, clean them gently with a brush or vacuum cleaner. This is a crucial step, as dirty coils can prevent the refrigerator from cooling efficiently. Check the refrigerator's air vents to ensure they are not blocked by food or other items. Make sure that the vents are clear and unobstructed, allowing for proper airflow. Also, inspect the door seals for any signs of wear or damage. If the seals are damaged, replace them to prevent cold air from escaping. Another possible cause is a faulty evaporator fan. Locate the fan, usually found in the freezer compartment, and check if it is working. If the fan is not spinning, try replacing it. Additionally, check the defrost timer, which controls the defrost cycle. If the timer is faulty, it may not be allowing the refrigerator to cool properly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to check the compressor, which is usually located at the back of the refrigerator. If the compressor is not working, it will need to be replaced. It is also a good idea to check the refrigerator's drain to ensure it is not clogged, as a clogged drain can cause the refrigerator to not cool. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Frigidaire refrigerator. Remember to always unplug the refrigerator before performing any repairs, and consult a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the process. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the condenser coils and checking the door seals, can help prevent issues like this from occurring in the future.